Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can go live on TikTok without having 1000 followers. As the current TikTok guidelines, typically a user need at least 1000 followers to access the live streaming feature. However, there are potential steps for that. First of all, you have to navigate to your TikTok here. So once you have opened up your TikTok account and log into your account here, if you are eligible, you might be applied for the Access TikTok live stream feature by switching your account type to creator or business account. Just navigate to your profile, tap on the three hamburger option here and just go for the setting and privacy and tap on the account. And here you have to switch your personal account to business account here. Once you have switched your account type, so the TikTok might grant access to live streaming feature even if you don't have 1000 followers. So you have to tap on the plus icon and you have to just go and here you will have the feature of live option here. So here you can see that TikTok doesn't provide the live feature on until you have the 1000 followers. Also, you have to wait for the TikTok update policy. So the TikTok is known to update its platform and feature regularly. In some cases, they may relax the 1000 follower requirement or offer alternative ways to go live. So at the present, the most reliable way to go live on TikTok without 1000 followers is to switch your account to creator account. So if the TikTok doesn't grant you the premise, if the TikTok doesn't grant you the permission to go live without having the 1000 followers, you have to navigate to the three bar option and go for the setting and privacy. Scroll down and go for the report or problem here. So you can directly report a problem here on your TikTok. Just go for the hosting live here and here you can find the how to start live here. You can find the all problem here. Also, you can go for the on the bottom you can see the report option. Just go for the report and you can go for the report and account if you want. Here you can see that and just go and chat with us option. Just tap on that and here you have to send a message to the TikTok help desk like I'm not able to go. After writing this message to TikTok help desk, they will reply you frequently. So here you can see that. So with the help of this video, you will know about you can go live on TikTok or not without having the 1000 followers. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.